Hello, is it working now? Am I existing in real time? I'm gonna private this video. But private, done, save. Hello? Hello? Okay, that's good. That's better. Right. Now we can start. Gonna turn this down. Sort out audio levels. Alright. So we're making Left 4 Dead 3. Because I'm bored. And I haven't done anything in a while. I haven't done anything since a game jam I did last month, I think it was. But I'm gonna show off the plans we have, right? Number one, we have to do this in a week. 7 days. Right? You seen it. This is the first day. You're watching the beginning. The great thing. Why is it still Earth? Did I forget? I probably forgot. A line. An include line. Yes, I did. But yeah, I've already set up enhanced input. Because that's boring to watch. No one wants to watch that. That's why I was late. But now we can compile. And while that compiles, I can show this off. This is everything we're gonna do. We've done movement. We need to do sprinting and crouching. We're gonna do a gun system. We have multiple guns. We're gonna do 4. Should be above pistol. And this should be below. Yeah. And then we're gonna do pickup weapons, and we're gonna switch weapons. We're gonna do shoving, and then we're gonna do melee weapons for secondary. We're gonna do naked pills, adrenaline. If we have time, I'll do. We'll have multiple different enemies. We'll have someone needs special infected. We might have more. We have time. And then this is just pretty much everything else. I probably will add to this list because I definitely forgot something, as I always do. But yeah, that's all we've got so far. That's what we have to do. And then hopefully we can get it done. The last time I did something like this was a game jam, and I didn't really stream that much for it, so it kind of sucked. And then there's the Lethal Company one, which was made into a video, but now it's done in 3 days, so not just took too much time, you know? Yeah, it took too much time, but I only have 3 days, so hopefully 7 days be a reasonable amount of time. I did not mean to disable live coding. Never disable live coding, you know? There's also a few things I want to do with this channel. I want to do more stuff like this, where I'm just making games. I making tutorials, I think. I don't want to put people into tutorial hell, where they're forced to watch my tutorials and reliant on me, you know? The reason I didn't go through tutorial hell in with Unreal Engine is because there were no tutorials available. So I want to make it easy for people while also not putting them, making it so they're reliant on watching tutorials, you know? So there's going to be less tutorials. There's also a Udemy course which I was looking into, and I also said I might be planning something to people in the comments. I checked, they take a huge cut, you get like 10%, and it's simply not worth my time. I also had Unreal Kickstart, which I was going to go through, but hosting a website costs a lot of money. So I made that expecting me to make the course quickly, and then I kind of just procrastinated a bunch. So that's the issue. I procrastinate a lot. So will it be a course in the future? I don't know. You know, we'll see. You never know. But anyway. There's more settings I need to change. Maps modes. Default map. Yep. Alright, so now we can get started. Tools, no. Gonna create player. The good thing about a first person game is that you don't have to make a player model. So we're gonna do character. Character. Did I pick character or player character? I picked character. I'm a little bit rusty, right? I have not opened Unreal Engine in about a month. So maybe more than a month. When did I submit that game jam? I think it's been a month and a half. That's crazy. Been a month and a half. Hopefully it doesn't slow me down making silly mistakes or forgetting stuff. But it would be good. Input context, maybe context, input mapping, and then we can create you can't, am I dumb? Can you not create an asset from here anymore? I swear you could. I don't see why they delete that. But input actions. So right now we're just setting up the input. So this is move, jump, and then look, and then sprint, and then crouch. I don't think this is just. Should I do crouching or should I do? We'll decide that later. But this should be vector 2D, and it should be line, and then this should also be vector 2D, and then we'll sort out spend later. So move W is the air, swizzle, then is swizzle and negate. D we leave alone, and then air is wrong one, negate. But instead of just move, look, jump, and then look. No, I don't. I'm very rusty. Look should be. Hey, I have a question related to my project. Can I ask? Sure. Ask ahead. I still remember all this, so I haven't completely forgot everything. So that's a good sign, you know? Jump is spacebar, and then sprint, we're gonna do shift. I'm pretty sure it should be slow walk, but I don't know what to call it since I always do like thing. I could rename it if I have to. No, I haven't set up the game. So create a new folder called core, and it's gonna have, usually I put game mode inside player. And this should be called campaign. Usually I put game mode inside the player folder, but I've changed my ways because once you're adding game instances, and then all these classes, once you're adding these, you're gonna need to put them in a folder. Game state, especially for multiplayer, you're gonna be using game states, game instances. But compile, and then project settings, apps and modes, campaign game mode should be default. So now you can move. It feels very delayed. Hold, release, hold, release, hold, release, hold, release. No, it's fine. There we go. It's like maybe hold. No, maybe it should just be none, right? Yeah, it should just be none. Okay. That means jumping needs to be, yeah, jumping needs to be the one that is changed. It should be first. There we go. Now we need to change gravity to be a bit higher, maybe 2, and then jump to be, we can do 650. Just mess for numbers to be satisfied. Why doesn't the input feel so delayed? I can't tell if it's my computer being a bit slow or not. But gravity needs to be lowered. And now the jump force needs to be lowered. Let's go 500. I think that's good. There we go. So now we need to do sprint. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename sprint to I don't know what to call it. I would do like I'll do walk, but now it's gonna get confused with move. I'll just call it crouch. You know, it's gonna be slow walking, but it's gonna be called crouch. So new action called crouch action. We start crouch, and then on completed the end crouch. I need to rename it, I'll rename it later. But slow walking just sounds weird. So this is good. That's going to be a jump. And then slow walk. It's gonna be wide stop, wide, wide, and wide. I wish it didn't bring me to this. I remember an older update, it would just do it. There's probably a setting I can change. In the game, the train is moving and the enemies on horseback chasing it. Once these enemies board the train, they start shooting and come after the player. However, when the player hides, the enemies are not able to find the player because the last known location for the player has been calculated relative to the world position and not the train's position. Since the train's position will change for each event tick. Trying to imagine how this would work. When a player hides, the enemies are not able to find the player because... Oh yeah, I see what you mean. I would cast to the player and then get the player location if we tick, instead of making it so every time the enemy sees the player it changes the location. If we tick the player, the enemy knows where the player is if that's possible. If you know what I mean. If you still need help, you can join my Discord and then I can help you out after stream. I can help you out in there. But yeah, that's how I do it. But anyway. Okay. Then we're gonna do the property. I'm coming to join your Discord, please help me if you can. Yeah, I'll check it out after stream and see if I can do something to help. Edit defaults only. Blueprint read only. Void equals. And I'm just gonna call it slower. I'm just gonna call it speed. Move speed. Load. When speed equals 600F. Load. Log speed equals 400F. If you make it 350. Wait, no, this is stupid. I'm programming C#. Speed. Dot speed. String speed. I'm programming in C#. Hello Matthew, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to stream. Right now I'm just doing player speed. Sprinting and walking. But now I have that. And we need to do include. I think it's components. Add it to different component. No. Are you going to stream every day of the week? I'm hoping to, as long as there's no issues. Otherwise, but yeah, the plan is to stream as much progress as I can. Character remake. I have not done anything in a month, so I forgot absolutely everything. Hold on. Get character movement include file. New character movement component. Why is Unreal Engine taking so long? Oh, yeah, why is the documentation taking so long? New character movement game framework. Alright. If you ever forget, just Google. No harm in Googling. Get character movement set walk speed. I should set max speed. Max walk. There we go. Max walk speed equals slow walk speed. Is that what I called it? I just called it walk speed. Walk speed. And then once you end crouch, it will be in speed. And then its speed is default. Is there anything else I need to do? I'm new to Unreal Engine. I've just finished right now in the movement mechanics following your video. Nice. Hope it helped, you know? Alright. So we've got movement done. I think that's all of the movement. I'm going to compile. Now I want to try weapon system. I've done a weapon system live stream and I was gonna make it into a video, but I got too lazy. But there's also someday I might go back and be turned into an actual video tutorial. But yeah. The thing is the weapon system, right? Well, I had to open up a window. The gun system. You can follow in the live stream. It's just longer than a cut down video, you know? I usually have a rule of tutorials where like keep it shortened and 20 minutes if possible. Because no one wants to watch a 3-hour tutorial, at least not me, you know? And they just yap. But now we can input the crouch. You can play, we walk, and then we crouch and walk. It's not exactly crouching, but it's like a slow walk system. Kind of like CSGO. Because with games, if you're going to be sprinting, and there's no stamina bar, so you're just infinitely sprinting, make it so you're sprinting by default, and then slow walking when you press shift. No one wants to hold down the sprint button for 5 hours. 20-minute tutorials are great, yeah. The thing is, the reason my channel is good compared to any other tutorial video is that people who make tutorial videos are very lazy when it comes out to editing and planning. I wouldn't say that they're bad tutorials, but they don't have to be that long and they don't explain as much as they should for a beginner. Anyway, now we have to make guns. You know what that means? That means we're going to the Epic Games Marketplace to find guns. Because I'm not gonna model. I think I'm gonna model. Have you seen my modeling skills? And oh my god. You did not have to leak my email address like that. Aren't you good at modeling? I used to be like half decent, but that was only when I watched the tutorial with modeling. If you were to tell me to make a gun right now, I would need a tutorial. If I were to watch like one modeling tutorial on how to make a pistol, I can make another pistol that looks different without a tutorial. But I'm still gonna need some help, if you know what I mean. Someday I want to learn how to model professionally, but we'll see when that happens. There's no guns? We'll probably shoot a pack. You know, I was looking some. I mean, I guess I'm looking in the free section, but I was hoping there'd be a little bit more. I feel like the best option for a solo dev is to take assets from the marketplace and modify just the necessary. Yeah, I'd agree with that. Like take an asset and then change it so it like matches the game better. Yeah, that's definitely the way to go. There's no guns. Alright, let's see. Gun. I swear there were guns that were free. Oh, now we have more. These are tanks. Do we really have to pay money? Let's look up online. Uh, 3D gun model pack. We let's see. These look not bad. You know? I just realized Turbo's Good updated the website. The download's up here now. What do we think? Is this good? I think this is good. 10 autoguns, 8 handguns, 3 shotguns, 3 miniguns, 2 grenade launchers, 1 sniper rifle, ammo boxes, models for ammo for miniguns. I prefer to get it from the Unreal Engine marketplace just because it's easier to import them. But unless you can get one very low price. Because I'm not making money off this game, so I don't want to spend money. Yeah, it looks like this one's the way to go. I hate you. Yeah, me too. Me too. But yeah, I'm gonna get this done by Chippenstein Dev. And I need to log in. I will take 1 minute to download. Okay, now we got goddamn emojis. They look awful. I just realized the chat isn't showing. I have no idea why it's not showing up. Am I using the right one? I'm just waiting for this gun download. Can I get a shout out? You're my least favorite YouTuber. You didn't say that before, you know. I see you and you're like, oh my god, it's Akumato. I love Akumato. Copy URL. Why is there a monkey emoji? Why do YouTube add these emojis that don't make sense? The live stream you're talking about is not coding an FPS system? Yep. Did my thing just crash? The story of Borderlands from game to blockbuster film? Don't go. The chat literally shows up, it just doesn't show up on the stream. Settings. Maybe I do that. Can I get that shout out? I don't think you deserve the shout out. You know, I see you in real life, and you're like, oh my god, that's Akamada. I'm so sad now. Why is the right chat? No, check a chat, dog chat, custom, save, text settings. Yes, I said the fan meet and greet. There's not a fan meet and greet. Don't lie. I'm trying to get the chat to show up on the stream. It just doesn't work. Then where did I go? I don't know. I think you dreamt that. I got an Aquaman face reveal. There's a face reveal on my Twitter if you scroll 2 years back. You know? And now that we got this gun thing downloaded, we go into weapons and then gun models. Hopefully this turns out fine and I don't have to change anything. Extract. Carlina probably vent effects. That's true. That's true. You know, I would never meet my fans. I hate them all. I'm only gonna drag in the guns I'm gonna use. I don't need a grenade launcher or anything like that. Why you like text to speech? Every single chat is read out loud? Yeah, because I don't know, that's just what I do. S, stop. No. Why would I? Oh my god. Please tell me that's in a folder. Okay, it's in a folder. I'm just gonna let that load. And I'm gonna try fix this. Can I reset it? I'm gonna reset it. Engagement. No, where is it? Stream tools. Your streams chat in real time. custom. Position settings. 1000 by 1000. Text settings. Size. That's too big. 32. That's good. Can you shout out Lampvita1 on Twitch? He's my favorite streamer. Who is this? I'm gonna look this up just to make sure I don't do anything. It comes up a Coldplay song called Vivi La Vida, lyrics 1 hour. You know him very well? I don't... Oh, it's not that guy. Is he who I think it is? Do I really have to... There we go. It's still importing. Why? I press apply to all. Why are you telling me this? You know him very well. Let's just say he likes... Yeah. 1%ers and G9s. Okay, I know who that is now. I know what you mean. This is taking a hot minute to load in your best friends with him. No. Yes. How many guns am I importing? Why is it taking so long? There's not 100 guns. It was like 50. And I've only imported half of it. Your best friends with him, best friends have the same type. That's because, well, we're not best friends. Everyone else, i.e. the 2 other people watching, and the people watching this ahead of time, will have no idea what you and I are talking about. Let's just say he's a local Jeffrey Epstein, except really poor, you know? Okay, we can stop flirting in my chat, you know? I'm gonna time you out if you don't stop. Can I not get... Hold on, I'm gonna add for my custom thingy. Why is it? I copy pasted the wrong thing. Okay, now it works. I don't know why it wasn't working before, but it works now. I want this to be right. It doesn't work when it's right. What? Okay, there we go. And then I want it to disappear after 30 seconds. Make it bigger. Should I make it a bit bigger? There we go. I'm also gonna add alerts. And then hide that. I'm gonna center it. Hold on, I'm sorting out the stream stuff. Transform. Center to screen. Alright, now we got that sorted. You can see if these imported properly. There's a lot of it didn't import. Hello? Can my materials work for once? Why is it all bullets? Why is it all imported separately? This is what I waited 20 minutes for it all to be individual pieces. Is this a Lego? Do I have to put it together? This is what I waited 30 minutes for. Individual pieces. We'll start one by one. I don't need to import everything. File, import, FBX, gun. Okay, now I got flushed emojis going everywhere. I wish I could add that to like the stream, the same way you can add stream chat. But at the same time, you're just gonna spam it with the flushed emoji. Let's do gun one. It doesn't have texture. Why is it all imported separately? If it's all one model. It's so tiny as well. Gun magazine trigger. Is it like group? It's a link. I forgot how to use Blender. Gun one. And then we can import. I really don't want to do this with every gun. I'm just gonna pick another model pack. It's very poorly designed. I like they're good, but it's just gonna take too much time. Gun models, model pack. Anyway, let's see what else we got. Price, apply. Sorry, no results. What? Hello? There's loads of free ones. Yeah, I don't think I'm finding. Oh, this one's cool. All we need is a pistol, but that's fine. I can do this. By post AP content. Alright, now we can delete all of this. It's not gonna delete. I'll delete it here. Oh nice, empty. It's gonna be guns. And then we're going to import. It's one FBX file. Oh, bye bye. Alright, I gotta head out. It was nice catching up, but I gotta skedaddle over and out. Alright, you're timed out for floating again. How long? 10 seconds, but guns aren't this small. They really aren't. What makes you think they're smaller than your finger? Don't silence our love. I'll silence anything and everything. And it's not even materials. Did I miss something? It's a zip file that I can download. Does it come with textures? It comes with textures. I think. I'm not quite sure. But let me try this one. Delete everything. Okay, so it's textures, but I also can't tell which are textures and which are previews. I'm gonna assume it's this. So hopefully this imports right. I'll show you want to overwrite asset. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, I think we got it. Okay, so it's textured, it's just really small. I don't know why they made it tiny. Like it's not even visible. Look. Luckily we can just scale it up. I'm gonna scale it up by 5. Save, re-import. See, even that isn't that big, but at least it's visible. I don't even know where it went. Yeah, that's tiny. And that's 5 times scale. Empty. Re-import. Even that's not big enough. 50. Save, re-import. Okay. Um, 70. Let's just do 100. Let's see what 100 is like. I think that's too big. I think 80 is the way to go. So we're gonna open up all of these. Scale 80. Re-import. That one's like a sniper. I don't think we're gonna need that. I should also name it this like sniper. This scale 80. That's like a pistol shotgun. I don't know what it's called. Scale 80. This is gonna be a rifle. I'm actually not sure what this is. I know it's some sort of rifle, but I don't know what to name it because I've already named one thing rifle. I'm just not gonna import it. This one's also a rifle. I'll just name it rifle 3. Rifle 3. And then okay. And then create a new folder from materials. Create a new folder for textures. And move that into the right. 200 unsaved. That's a new number. That's a new personal record. Right, so now we can drag and drop all of these and make sure they have a pivot point. They do not have a proper pivot point. So we can edit pivot in the center. That's not the center. Why are you touching the floor? Center. Hello? I don't know if the pivot point should be like at the barrel or where exactly it should go. But let's see, I think it should be at the Where should I put it? I'll just put it above. I'll put it on trigger. I'll put it above it. Above it. Is that above? That's too high. Okay. Accept. That's the floor. Why is it modifying the floor? I didn't touch the floor. I touched this. Whatever. Center. Okay, now it's centering. I was wondering why it didn't center. I thought it was just broken. This makes it so much easier. Center. 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 Let's see if all of these and now all of them work properly. Okay, I have to go. CS2 is calling me. Bye. Alright. Hope to see you again. Have fun. See you. Hope we'll have the gun system done by the time you get back. So now we need to make everything. How are we gonna do this? Is the question. We want the player to control the gun, or the gun to control the gun. Later I'll try the weapon system. Hope it works out. Hopefully it's clear to understand because it is a live stream, but should be good enough. I think it's pretty good. Anyway, got shooting. We're gonna do void on speed. Or should be on click. Because we're gonna be shoving or not shoving using melee attacks as well. So I'll just do tag. And then gonna make a tools data asset, and it's gonna be gun data close that. The gun anywhere only, and then it will be string name tag no bullet capacity, and we're also gonna need to do damage, and then load speed. Should we do speed? No, it should be time in shots. And then will be is automatic. pretty sure there's a way where you can like only enable this variable if this is true. Hold on. Right, you only edit variable if you is true on your engine. Conditional exposed variables. Using the edit condition tag. Use edit condition and Unreal Engine. I'm gonna move this down here. Edit condition is a shortcut. See if it works. Edit equals edit condition equals B is automatic. Let's see if that works. I can close this. So we've got the name, the damage, on the gun name, the gun damage, the bullet capacity. Check if it's automatic, and check the time between shots. And this should all be covered. And then let's try to complete. The data asset, gun data. The property, edit annual, the green read write, story equals back. And this should be you gun data primary weapon, and then you gun data secondary weapon. One click is not a function because I want to make it one. Yeah, I know it's not a function. Let me make a function. Make myself being so stubborn. Hello? I suppose this none is just tripping out. I think Unreal Engine's a little bit confused because I don't know why it's given all of these O's. Did I miss something? Okay. It's gone data. You probably terminated macro. Find float while expecting. No idea why it's tripping. There we go. It was just because the property was broken. I don't know why all of this is given other lines. It's clearly working. Okay, so now we have to find a way to make shooting to be a thing. Oh, I also forgot to do in a model. That's what I forgot to do. Name, use static mesh. Mesh. We can go into guns and can I delete this? Gun models. And then we can do gun data. This should be items. I don't gun data go. Guns. Drag and drop this here. And we can call this okay. It's 7. So we've got the name. We can give it a name. We don't need name. And then we check here. Will you save the default? Yeah, the default will be staying online. Okay, that works. I like that. Time between shots. To be honest, we don't need it. We kind of need it without it, but at least now I know how it works. Why is it still showing this? Hello Epic Games, I don't care about you. Close. Why are you opening? Anyway, so on click, what I need to do is I need to check if everything done, and then get one data, and then file, subtract ammo, and then stop file if No ammo. Anyway, I'm gonna take a quick break, so I'll be back in like 15 minutes. So, oh, I forgot I deleted my thing. Whoopee. I'll be about 15 minutes. I'm back. We're back. About time. Alright. For this one, AK-47. Gonna make zombies have 100 damage. Oh, 100 health, I mean. And it's gonna be 30. Also 30. Gonna be automatic. It's gonna shoot pretty fast. Okay. So first, if is valid primary weapon. It'll do primary weapon. Good. Should we do range? We should be doing range. Good. Range. Why is it? There we go. What are we supposed to do? Get the gun data, and then we fire the weapon. And we're going to do this for your line trees. So F active application equal to primary weapon mesh or gun mesh. We just call it mesh. Mesh get socket. Can you not get a socket? Can I get IntelliSense socket? Get socket location. I should not show the sockets. Get socket location. I'm gonna see first. Get mesh, get socket location. Yeah, Bible. Huh. Get socket location. Maybe it's because it's the wrong type of thing. Should it be static mesh component? No. Static mesh? Is that right? Use static mesh does not get socket location. There's no way sockets only work in skeletal mesh. It exists. Definitely. Yeah. No? Yeah. Socket. Why is my keyboard delayed? Like my PC has never struggled this badly. It's because I have controller input. That's why my controller is plugged in. It's gonna be in the file location. Save. Mesh, get, socket, by tag. Why by tag? I want to get this. Am I dumb? Am I doing this wrong? Do I need to use static mesh component? Is that why? There we go. Now it's why. And then file location. Or did I name it file socket? It's file location. And then the f vector and location is equal to I'm trying to remember the form of this application times get active forward vector plus primary weapon it should be a equipped weapon, not primary weapon. This should be able to attack. And then this is gonna be 32 and ammo mag and then 32 ammo. And then should be F hit result, F query I forgot about this. We could just do get row and trace single by channel. Hit result, start location and location ECC and visibility, and then F collision query params. I did not after call params, and then response param we can just leave. And the hit equal to that, and then F the hit. We can just destroy no hit result dot get active. It should be valid and is valid. Right. Has to stop looking. Actually, delete that. If active equals the result, okay, active. If it's valid, if active, then if active dot. We're gonna want to deduct damage, but for now we're just gonna destroy it. And please setup. And please. And then gonna run the ammo. So ammo and minus. We're also gonna run the if ammo and mag less than 0. It should be F clamp actually. F not clamp. Ammo and mag -1, 0, and 9. And if the ammo is greater than 0, I actually don't think we're gonna need this. Ammo and mag -8. And you can shoot. Subtract ammo in between shots is equipped weapon in between shots. Okay. If and under event. And I'm trying to think what's the best way to do this. What is the best way to delay shots? Engine. And not G engine, it's what is it? I forgot. How do you call a timer? Oh, it's just get world. Okay. Get world. Get timer manager. That timer. I'm just gonna do this GPS timer. And then time between shots. Should be this. And then there we go. Time between shots, 90. And this should be 5 and 3 shots monitor. Actually, I'm just gonna do this anyway. And it's gonna be B can shoot equal here. Why is this function for time between shots manager is not fine? Alright, so now I've done this, we're doing a line trace, make sure we don't hit ourselves. We check if we hit something and we destroy what we hit, we subtract the ammo. Yep. And now we're gonna do, why is this still weird? Enable shooting. It'll go with by itself. Let's put it down here. As well as it should just be all gone. So what we do is we could do equipped weapon. No. Content 32. Bullet. What do I call it? Total ammo. Plus equals ammo in mag. Ammo in mag equals 0. We should also have one qualified while we reload, so we have animations. They'll probably be really scuffed, but it's fine. I actually don't think we need to do that. I think I'm very dumb. I don't remember how I did it last time. The idea we have to do is we need to make it so we can reload without doing too much or too little. We don't want to take away ammo and we don't want to add ammo that we already didn't have. If you know what I mean. I don't think that's how it's gonna do it now. So what we're gonna do, if we have 0, we're just gonna do, yeah. So now it's 0. And then if we want to change this, we can. So we do equip weapon, ammo, bullet capacity. So total ammo minus equals, and then ammo in mag equals I forgot how I did this the last time. I'm opening paint. I completely forgot how I did this the last time. Right, so let's say we have 5 out of 30 and we only have 3 bullets in the magazine, right? So when I reload, I want this to be 7. So to do this, we need to put this into here. So we now have 7, right? And then we do ammo in mag plus the bullet capacity, where we clamp it to be 0 and total ammo, and I believe that will work. It's different from what I did the way I did it last time. I'm actually just gonna look what I did the last time. I generally don't remember what I did, and my brain can't do math right now. If I go to GitHub, it should be on my GitHub. Your repositories and FPS weapon tutorial, source, FPS system, player, CPP, shoot, reload. Okay, so I did, if the ammo in mag is greater than the max ammo, my brain hurts. I'm too dumb for this. My brain isn't smart enough today. If the ammo in the mag is greater than equal than the max ammo, calculate the ammo in the magazine so no ammo is lost during reload. Ammo to subtract from mag. I think this new way is better. So what do we do? Ammo in mag plus bullet capacity. So F math. we do ammo and mag plus weapon bullet capacity. Push for ammo and mag needs to be ammo plus equals ammo and mag equals 0. Alright, so that's text add ammo and this adds ammo. So now minimum is 0, maximum is equal ammo. That should work. So let's go some. So if the total ammo is 5 and we have 3 in the mag, this goes to 7. So the total ammo is 7. And then we add this, but it will only go as high as 7. And then we need to subtract total ammo. But how much did we subtract? And now total ammo minus equipped weapon bullet capacity, and will not be higher than 0. So now here, if we have, let's say 30, let's put it on this. The ammo in the mag is 30. We're moving this over to 0, and then yeah, that will work. And then I think that will work. So if we have 7 total ammo, that gets moved to this, and we shouldn't remove more than we should. Yeah, I think that should work. It's a little different from what I did before, but hopefully it works well. And then need to call reload. Why is it? I want to call reload. It doesn't. Oh, it does already exist. I'm very stupid. This should be new function repaint auto. And then create a conflict action called fire action and reload action. So now the problem comes that if the equipped weapon is a melee weapon, I think that'll be fine. I think we'll just do another is valid and then just swing, you know. I'm just gonna leave this on fire. Attacking. fire action. It's be called fire, to be honest. I don't know why it needs to be called on fire, just fire. Good. And then reload action should call reload, which calls an animation which we don't have, so we're just gonna we should also have one called float and to reload. Actually no, I'm gonna call it an animation. Timer and we'll reload up to 2 seconds. And then we can shoot. It's false. But then that will enable the shooting, so we need a separate bool called bool the and between shots the shoot fast. And shoot and shoot the shots to the past. A weird name, but it's fine. It doesn't matter that much. Now what? This is false. And then oh no, it should be, I'm gonna undo on this. The is reloading. The is reloading. The is reloading equals false. And then there should be enable shooting. This should be can shoot and B is reloading. I think that's all. Oh, I need to make a mesh. Use static mesh and mesh Right, so it's giving an oh line. Oh, not that. Backbone mesh. Add static mesh. Weapon mesh. So if is valid with weapon. The static mesh component is compatible with the static mesh. Right. If is valid primary weapon primary weapon equals equipped weapon as if is valid secondary weapon equals and then since these are valid we can just I'm gonna do weapon switching in Blueprint because that's the easiest way to do things if there's like multiple keys instead of coding it all. So there should be Blueprint read write. I just realized the problem. And it's not all these other lines. That's not the problem. The problem is, if you were to switch weapons, like if you'd have 5 bullets in one weapon, switch to a secondary weapon, and then switch back to that weapon, it'll go back to 30 bullets. If 30 is the maximum capacity. I wonder if you can change these. So this should be complete right, so it's visible anywhere, and it's equal current ammo in mag. This should just be ammo and mag, shouldn't it? I have no idea if this will work. Oh, my engine's opened. I'm stupid. Okay, what now? What now? I closed it, come on. Why are you so angry? What did I do? Why? Never mind, I thought I saw something and I thought it was an error. Okay. $185, $186. Discarding return value of function. But why? You know what? I think we can sort that out later. I think we have to sort that out later. It's just gonna be a bug we're gonna have to deal with. Okay, never mind. So that's not the issue. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Is it because of this? Do I need to save it? Capacity. Unfortunately, we can't do that with the ammo and mag because. Okay, what now? Why is it angry? F-math clamp. Ammo and mag plus equipped weapon. 0 total ammo. Total ammo minus equipped weapon bullet capacity. I'm gonna Google. You can always have some managed ChatGPT time. It's honor ancient C++. Bug and code, please. Oh yeah. If you cannot assign anything to the note discard. Oh. Oh. I forgot. You cannot do all this now. I mean, we do all this. Never mind. Armor mag, armor mag, armor mag, armor mag. Take that. And then equip weapon, armor and mag equals this. Armor equals this. Okay. Now I remember. Identifier armor and mag is unidentified. Defined. Oh, I've got to do one more thing. You know? It's gotta get a deeper glow. So, deeper line. It will application and application as color red and false. Now we wait for that. Alright, now primary weapon, convenient AK, we can compile. We can also get the weapon mesh, AK. Oops. Where's my gun at? Static meshes, no. But what is a primary weapon? I think it's because it should be backwards. Oh, I mean, this is backwards. The secondary weapon should be before. Actually, no, that doesn't matter because it's else if. You on back? Welcome back. I have no idea why this isn't working. Hold on a second. I have no idea why this doesn't work. Maybe if I just have the secondary weapon as well. Maybe because, oh, it's because there is none. That's why. Bullet range should be 50. We'll see how much 50 is. And there's no, my keyboard's so slow. I don't know if it's because I'm streaming with Unreal Engine on as well. Maybe I need to lower the engine scalability to medium graphics. But it feels so slow, like I'm not even touching it and it's moving. What did you miss? So far I'm making the gun system. Why? I'm not touching, right? I pressed for 1 second. Okay, now it's working. Never mind. Whatever. No, it's not shooting. Is it because there's no ammo in mag? Yes, that is why. So we go to is valid, equipped. No. If is valid, equipped weapon. We'll do equipped weapon ammo and mag equals bullet equipped weapon bullet capacity. So now if we close this, we compile. Oh yeah, one more thing. This should be under the camera, so it rotates along the camera. And hopefully that should be the gun system done. I just need to change the values for all of the weapons. Why is it up high now? Oh my god, I keep forgetting things and I know why it's not working. It's because hand shoot, where is it, is default at false. Right, so shooting, this is, no, don't build, paste. Shooting, and what else? That's false by default. Compiling for a third time now to see if this works. Hopefully it works now. You know? Because my brain is hurting. Too much math. I was gonna make a check event with events string and 4 different things. We get the ammo and mag, get weapon, get ammo and mag. We can remove this pin actually. And then this out of ammo. And then this out of bullet capacity. And then total ammo. So not. Clicking does nothing. Do I have input set up? I do not. Okay, at least it's not a code related issue. Fire. Fire. It's just gonna be click. And then reload is just going to be all. Save. File. Reload. Okay, it works. It's not working properly. It doesn't point in the right direction. I think that's because this should be, where is it? Where is it? The get active board vector should be camera, get component, forward. Or just, yeah, just get forward vector. And then it should also be fire. Triggers pressed should be trigger fires once the input is it. Okay. Yep. Reloading does nothing because my total ammo is 0. Begin pair total ammo. Did I not give total ammo a thing? It's blueprint read only. There's edit defaults. Should be edit anyway. But yeah, it works. It shoots a little bit too fast. I accidentally misclicked. Shoots a little bit too fast. We can do 0.5. We also need some more, so let's do a bulk capacity of 60. And we can also do 0.8. Yeah, that's good. It works. Does it destroy actors? I don't think it shoots far enough. Let's do the bullet range of 100. We can also drag in a cube. Why is the input so weird? I swear. I'm gonna test this off stream, and if it's weird off stream, okay, it destroys things. That's a good thing. I also think this is too fast and it's going to 80. But yeah, that's the guns done. I followed you on GitHub. Are you going to share the repository of this project? Yeah, definitely. I'll probably be doing it after the stream. Which I'm gonna end now. I think that's a pretty good progress made. If we look on this, done the gun system, and we've added a rifle. I don't think we're going to. Okay, Firefox is being slow. We've added a gun system. We've added a rifle. I don't think we're gonna do a shotgun. Maybe we'll do a shotgun, but I'm gonna do all of these off stream. And then on the next stream, we'll do picking up and weapon switching. And then maybe shoving our melee attack if we have time. But yeah, that's it. And the UI. We're gonna need to do UI after. But yeah, that's it for today. I think that's some pretty good progress. We've done the main part of Left 4 Dead, which is guns. The second main part is zombies, which we'll do in the middle of the week. But yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy it, but yeah. I'll be doing the rest of the gun system off camera. So I'll see you all tomorrow. See ya.